Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Sorry about the glare. It's a really simple card, just very monochromatic, and the sentiment says, just thinking of you today. I think that's very sweet, very simple card. Stamps that I'm going to use is this one called Amazing Silhouettes. I'm going to use this big silhouette here, and we're stamping in Bermuda Bay ink, and I've got everything set up in my Stamparatus, but it's quite a large stamp, so if I don't get a good impression the first time I can just re-stamp, which always helps. So let's give it a good press down. I don't have a lot of strength, as you can see, in my hands, so sometimes banging it is the best way, but having Stamparatus means I can stamp a second time and get a really good impression. So you can see, sorry if I've shaking the camera. There we go, that will do me. Close our powering pad. No, actually we're going to leave that open, but we're going to stamp our sentiment next. So let's clean up the stamp so we can remove it from our Stamparatus. There we go. Get rid of that, and then I'm going to be using this photopolymer stamp, so I need to bring in my pad here, and we're going to be doing, just as I said, just thinking of you. So my stamps are all floating away. Okay, just thinking of you. Okay, we just need a scrap here of basic white, which is what we've got. Put our little sentiment down, and we're just going to cut it out freehand, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to stamp it in the same colour. Give it a good press. Lovely. Yeah, that'll do, I think. Close this up, clean up this mess that I've obviously made. I can never stamp without making a mess, obviously, it seems. My hands are nice and inky already. So let's move that. Let's move this out of the way, put it in this little drawer, and then we're just going to cut these out with our trimmer quickly. So let's see. So I am just going to do this by eye. Something like that. And I think a little bit off the top. Maybe like that. Maybe a tiny bit more over here. Yeah. And a little bit. I think that will do. So, get rid of these bits. And let's bring in our sentiment and do the same thing. Let's see. As you can see, I'm not being too precise or anything, I'm just going with the flow. That will do. For now at least. And then I've got a piece here of black cardstock, and we're just going to mat everything on this. So let's do that. like that. And then back with the trimmer. Get rid of these pieces. I bring in my card base. I'm just going to take my long scissors here, and I'm going to do this one freehand. I just find it easier. Just like that. And I think I want to trim this just a little bit more, so I'm just going to use my scissors, just like that. Okay. We are going to start assembling our card now. Card base is Bermuda Bay, and it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half. And I've got a piece here of basic white, which I'm going to put into the centre as the insert, like that. And then this piece on the outside, just sort of centering it left to right, top to bottom as best as possible. That'll do. And then some dimensionals and our sentiment. Where did I put my sentiment? Do you see where it went? Chiding away through the sentiment in the bin. Aren't I clever? How many times have you done something daft like that? Let me know below. Spent ages looking for something. Where do you find it? In the bin. I remember once my grandmother lost her keys for the car, and she found it in the bag of carrots she was putting away. She'd obviously had them both in her hands and just put the whole lot into the fridge. So there we go. One card. Second card. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you would like any more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.